Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics. Your phone must be on, unlocked, and the SIM inserted. Once done, make sure you have a carrier signal or at least a visible SIM status. Now open Settings or the phone app. Why? Because Android and iOS expose the number in system info, while the dialer can run a UST query. If you plan to use cloud backups, sign into the same account. That preserves contact labels and speeds identification. You now execute the middle steps. Check system info first because it's fastest. On Android, navigate to About Phone then SIM status. On iPhone, check Phone My Number. If the field is blank, use the dialer. Some carriers support UST codes that return the number instantly. Alternatively, send an SMS to a friend or a secondary device. This confirms the number directly. Make sure to note whether the number displays with country code, since that affects sharing and backups. Finish by confirming the number in two ways. Call or text a known contact and read the caller ID back, then check cloud contact entries for the same value. If the number still isn't shown, troubleshoot, toggle airplane mode, reboot the device, or reset the SIM. These steps fix many registration glitches. If those fail, log into your carrier account or contact support. Sometimes the SIM needs provisioning. Remember, persistence pays, carrier provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.